Welcome! In today's video, we're going to learn how to start an end-to-end encryption chat on Telegram. This feature is perfect for those who prioritize privacy and security in their conversations. With end-to-end encryption, only you and the person you're chatting with can read the messages. Let's dive into the steps. First, grab your Android device and open the Telegram app. Make sure you're logged in, and you'll see your chat list displayed on the screen. Next, find the chat where you want to start an encrypted conversation. This could be with a friend, a family member, or anyone you trust. Once you locate the desired chat, tap to open it. Now, look at the top of the screen where you'll see the contact name. Tap on that name to access their profile. This will give you some options related to the chat and the contact. After tapping the contact name, shift your focus to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 dots there. These dots signify additional options, so go ahead and tap on them. A menu will pop up with various choices. Here you want to select Start Secret Chat. This is the key step for initiating an end-to-end encrypted conversation. Once you tap on Start Secret Chat, Telegram will create a secure chat window. You'll see a notification indicating that the chat is now encrypted. From this point on, you can exchange messages knowing that your conversation is private and secure. And that's it. You've successfully started an end-to-end encryption chat on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.